Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying whether they truly blocked you. Open Snapchat and scan your chats list. If their conversation disappeared, that is the first clue. Next, you search to type their username and full display name exactly. Inconsistent results matter. Pay attention. If you see an add button or no snap score, that suggests removal or blocking. Once done, note these signals: deleted chat, missing score, or absent profile, because they guide the next verification steps. Now you perform cross-checks to confirm. Ask a mutual friend to search the person's username and open their profile. If your friend sees them but you do not, blocking is likely. Make sure your friend checks Snap Score and Stories. These visible items differ when blocked. You can also try viewing recent group chats where both are members. Absence from those also signals blocking. Once your friend confirms visibility while you cannot, you've got strong evidence that you were blocked. Finish the process with a safe verification and a fallback plan. Create or borrow a second Snapchat account and search or send a friend request. If the request goes through and profile is visible, you were blocked on your main account. If results are ambiguous, ask a mutual friend to mediate and confirm directly. Make sure to clear Snapchat cache, update or reinstall the app if things look inconsistent. Technical glitches can mimic blocking, so rule.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.